All right, now we have the markets up and we have the indexes at brand new record highs. And we're going to go higher, folks. Just a few weeks before the election, they're going to top this off at Dow 44, Dow 45,000, who knows? But it's going to be a lot higher than where it is now. Now, we had the weekly jobless claims come out and those numbers actually declined by 19,000 to 241,000. Now, last week's claims were actually revised up by 2,000 to 260,000. Now, the continuing claims, they continue to move higher, and those numbers are now 1.867 million. And from all the job loss from the hurricanes and the floods, these numbers, they're going to move higher. And regardless of whether those numbers are reflected in the jobless claims or the monthly jobs numbers, there are more people out of work today than there were 3 weeks ago due to the floods and hurricanes. And it's probably going to take a while for those guys to get back. And in my opinion, this economy is so fragile that 1 or 2 million people out of work due to the hurricanes, that's going to have huge ramifications on this economy. That's going to mean a lot less spending, and that's all it takes with this economy. Our legs have already been broken, and all someone has to do now is lean on us, and this economy is going to fall over. Now, we had retail sales, and they actually came in better than expected, increasing 0.4%, and much of that spur in retail spending was due to the price of gasoline coming down. Now, we'll see how long that continues as these credit cards continue to get maxed out, and we head towards the holiday. I believe you're going to see these numbers make a U-turn and turn down. Now, we also had some good news coming out the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and new orders are up, and they're up big. Shipments, they're up big. Inventories are pretty steady, and this index jumped way more than expected. And the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index has been the brightest spot in manufacturing throughout the entire country this year. So these guys, they're back in the black, and it looks green, and it's always sunny in Philadelphia. Now, we have gold breaking out to a brand new record high. We went as high as 27.15, and it wouldn't surprise me if tomorrow we close in the 27.20s. And again, we're going to $3,000 an ounce probably before the end of the year, and we're going to $10,000 an ounce before the end of the decade. Now, we've seen silver turn up, and that's a little bit above $32 an ounce, and you want to be holding this as well. As gold goes up, it's going to pull this little buddy silver up with it. Now, don't sleep on platinum and palladium. Both of these metals, they've been up, and palladium is working its way back to a 6-month high. And it's about a third of the price of gold. And if you had the money, hey, pick this metal up as well. Now, the rest of the commodity space is pretty quiet. And we're going to have a few big names reporting their earnings this evening. And this market's green. They're going to keep it green. And we're going to close the week higher than where we were last week. And that's going to be a repetitive theme up until the election. Now, after the election, they're going to rug pull this market. And I wouldn't be shocked to see this market down 5,000 or 6,000 points by Inauguration Day. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.